Two identical balls, A and B, are released from the top of the tall building at point Q. Ball A is dropped from rest at t is equal to 0 second, while ball B is dropped from the same point 1,2 seconds later. Point R is 9,6 meters below point Q, and point S is 33,1 meters below point R, while ball A passes point R after 1,4 seconds. At the instant that ball A reaches point S, ball B is exactly at point R. The ground is 44,1 meters below. Ignore the air resistance. Take downward as positive. Now, izinto abasitshena zona la. Izinto abasitshena zona. The ground is 44,1 meters. Bathi-ke ukusuka ku-point Q uzofika ku-point R. So ku-point Q uzofika ku-point R ku-9,6 meters. Then ukusuka ku-point R uyofika ku-point S ku-3,1 meters. Suka la uzofika la. Then ukusuka phezulu ku-point Q uzofika phansi kwe-ground ku-44,1 meters. Enye into abasitshena yona, basitshena ukuthi u-ball A uma ngabe beqala nje isikhathi ukubala isikhathi i-time at t is equal to 0 bamdedelile u-ball A. So kuthe mase kuphele u-1,2 second base kuyikhathi bededela u-ball B. Ezinye izinto abasitshena zona lezo. Base besitshena ukuthi ukusuka ku-point Q uzofika ku-point R. U-ball A kumthathe u-1,4 second ukusuka ku-point Q ayofika ku-point R. Information ka-ball A leyo. So from point Q to point R, isikhathi for ball A bo-1,4 second. Initial velocity for ball A esuka ku-Q beku-0 ngoba ngidrophile. I-distance ayihambile u-ball A esuka ku-point Q eya ku-point R uhambe u-9,6 meters. So iningi information if bangasibuza ngo-QR mayelana no-ball A, iningi izinto esingayithola. Okay. So define the term projectile. An object which has been given an initial velocity and moves under the influence of gravitational force only. Write down the time taken for ball A to reach point S. For ball A ukuthi afike ku-point S, base bethi 2 miles. So uyabona ukuthi laphana akufuneki kahle kahle ucalculate into eningi. Write down the time taken for ball A to reach point S. Thatha isikhathi esingakanani ukuthi ball A afike ku-point S. Mhlawumbe-ke sifunde kahle statement. Bathi point R is 9,6 meters below Q and point S is 33,1 meters below point R, while ball B passes point R after 1,4 seconds. But at the instant ball A reaches point S, uma njengabe ball A esefika lapha ku point S, unakhuzana uBall B yena exactly uselaphana kubani ku-point R. Okay, bafike bamdedela uBall A wasuka ku-Q weza ku-R wahamba 1,4 second. Sewenda wahamba 1,4 second. Unakhuzana uBall A besambambile unakhuzana uBall B. Sewenda uthe uma ngabe esehambile okay, uBall B esehambe u-1,4. Okay, let me repeat again. uBall A bamdedelile wahamba, the esahambile sekuphela u-1,2 second wasebededela uBall B. So uBall A uhambe u-1,4 second uQR. Kodwa uthe uBall A mangabe seyofika laphaya ku-point S, upoint unakhuzana uBall B yena bese kuphi bese ku-point R. So bathi-ke ake sithole isikhathi esihanjwe ubani uBall A. So isikhathi nje sisahanjwe uBall A inasi uBall A usahambe u-1,4 second plus lesi sikhathi abebembambe sona uBall B ngesikhathi besambambile engakahambi. Hlanganisa lezi y'khathi lezi. So 1,4 plus 1,2 kuzoba 2,6 second. So uBall A isikhathi leso-ke asasihambile since bambambile unakhuzana uBall B. Sibuke le. Calculate the velocity. Calculate the velocity of Ball B at the instant that Ball A reaches point S. Calculate the velocity of Ball B at the instant that Ball A reaches point S. So sitholeleke i-velocity ngalesi sikhathi uBall A efika ku-point S. Sitholele i-velocity kabani kaBall B. So izoba lula-ke indaba. So mase sikhuluma ngoBall B, the-initial velocity kaBall B u-0. Isikhathi esisahanjwe unakhuzana uBall B kuzoba isikhathi esisahanjwe uBall A minus lesa sikhathi ebesibanjiwe. Calculate the velocity of Ball B at the instant Ball A reaches point S. Okay. So ukhumbuleke uBall B uma ngabe uBall S esefike ku-point S, uBall B bekuyima efika yena ku-point R. So kusho ukuthi i-distance uBall B asayihambile, i-distance u-9,6 meters. Sine-initial velocity, sine-distance esihanjwe uBall B, and into abayifunayo bafuna i-velocity. Okay, ngizama uku-calculate i-velocity. Mhlambe sibuka ama-formula yethu. Final velocity, initial plus A, change in T. Vf squared is equal to Vi squared plus 2A delta Y. Delta Y is equal to Vi change in T plus half change in T squared. Okay, sinayo delta y, sinayo initial velocity, okay, sinayo initial velocity, sinayo delta y, sinayo acceleration, then singamthola u-VF. So VF squared is equal to VI squared plus 2a change in y. Final velocity sifuna yona. Initial velocity ka-ball B u-0 bamdrophile. 2. Into esingayikhohliwe. Sikhetha ukuya phansi as positive. I-acceleration yethu nayo izoba positive. So lana kuzoba positive 9,8. Then delta y. Bathe uball A uma esefike ku-point S, uball B ila ezobe esefike naku-point R. So siyazi ukuthi uball B usahambe u-9,8 ukusuka ku-point Q eza ku-point R. Siyayazi futhi initial velocity yakhe bamdrophile. So i-distance la akusu-9,8, 9,6 i-distance esayihambile. 9,8 acceleration. So sesizoba no delta y lo simfaka u-positive. Why simfake positive? Ngoba kuya phansi ku-positive, so lelibhola lizohamba in a positive direction. So sesizoba no-2 times 9,8 times 9,6 okuzosikhiphela u-188. 188,16 VF squared. So u-VF wethu, square root of an answer, zoba u-13,717 meters per second downwards. Okay, i-velocity leyo ka-ball B, uma ngabe u-point S esefika laphana, asikho uma ngabe u-ball A esiyafika ku-point S, u-ball B yena uzobe eseku-point R, uzobe esehamba i-distance u-9,6 ebesuke nge-velocity u-0 ngokwe-statement abasitshene sona. Sibukeke bathi-ke, how far is ball B below point R when ball A hits the ground? So njengamanje babuza ukuthi njengoba u-point B selokhu bemdedelile, ukuphi nendawo uma ngabe u-ball A efika kwi-ground. Okay, so u-ball A uzohamba azofika laphaya kwi-ground u-ball A. U-ball B uzohamba khona abayikhulumile bathe below point R. How far is ball B below point R when ball A hits the ground? So u-ball A uzohamba azayofika kwi-ground, u-ball B uzobe just below point R ngaleso sikhathi leso. Ball B bathi-ke uzobe kuphi nendawo, so sifuna ibanga-ke, kahle kahle sifuna ukusuka la ku-point R size sizofika la esekukhona khona u-ball B just below point R, uzobe kuphi nendawo. So thina fanele sithole i-distance between u-point R nala u-ball B ezobe sekhona. So sizoyithola kanjani lento le? Sizobuka isikhathi esesihanjwe u-ball A bese si-subtract-a, fanele sithole isikhathi sesihanjwe u-ball A in total ngoba u-ball A usehambe waze ayofika phansi. Ukhumbule ukuthi u-ball A mabemdedela uball B bebembambile for 1,2 second. Shuthi esikhathini esiphelele esizohanjwa uball A minus u-1,2 sizothola isikhathi esizohanjwa uball B until azazofika la akhona njengamanje. Ngoba ngesikhathi uball A efika phansi kwi-ground, uball B uzobe sasemoyeni. Uball B uzobe sesihamba isikhathi esingakanani? Uzobe sehamba isikhathi esizohanjwa uball A minus 1,2 uzobe sasemoyeni. Kufanele sithole thina kuqala ukuthi uball A uzohamba isikhathi esingakanani aze azofika phansi. Mase sisitholile leso sikhathi esizohanjwa uball A bese si-subtract 1,2 sithole isikhathi esizohanjwa uball B. Sinayo initial velocity bese sithola i-final velocity ka-ball B. Esike sifanele sithole i-height ka-ball B. Mhlawumbe singaqala sithole i-final velocity, yes, bese sithole i-height. Ngama-formula esiwasebenzisayo. Okay, for uball A njengamanje yena fanele sithole isikhathi sakhe. Sinayo i-height, sinayo initial velocity, sinayo i-acceleration. Singakhona ukusebenzisa leya formula for uball A. So delta Y is equal to V initial change in T plus half A change in T squared. So initial velocity of ball A was 0 times change in T plus half 9,8 delta T squared. I-height ezohanjwa uball A 44,1. Khumbula ukusuka phezulu lapha uzofika kwi-ground u-44,1. So i-height le azoyihamba uball A azofika phansi. So le part izoba u-0, 0,5 times 9,8 kusinikeza plus 4,9 delta T squared. And this is for ball A. 4,9 delta T squared 44,1 divided by 4,9 on both sides. Divide by 4,9 on both sides. So delta TA squared 44,1 divided by 4,9 is over 9. Then square root on both sides. Delta TA 3 seconds. So uzomthatha 3 seconds uball A ukusuka phezulu azaze ayofika phansi. So kanti yena uball B uzomthatha isikhathi esingakanani ukuze aze ayofika kule position akuyo below point R? Uzomthatha u-3 second minus 1,2. 3 minus 1,2 kuzoba 1,8 second. Shuthi nje uball B yena usahambe u-1,8 second njengoball A esezofika kwi-ground. So for ball B sinaso isikhathi 1,8 second. Initial velocity ka-ball B sinayo 0. Okay, lo akangeni-ke lapho-ke lo. Sifuna yena njengamanje. So sizokhetha iformula ezosisiza ukuthi sithole. Mhlambe sizoqala sithole i-final velocity. La initial velocity sinayo, acceleration sinayo, isikhathi sinaso. Singasolva i-final velocity. Mase siyitholile i-final velocity. Sibuye sizocalculate i-distance esihanjwe uball B. Final velocity sizobe sesinayo. Initial velocity sizobe sesinayo. Acceleration sizobe sesinayo. Sizobe sesisolve delta Y. Bese kuyaphelela. So VF is equal to VI plus A change in T. Initial velocity was 0. Final velocity sifuna yona 9,8. Isikhathi sizohanjwa uball B 1,8 second. So 9,8 times 1,8 kuzoba Final velocity ka-ball B was 17,64 meters per second. Shoot at this point, i-ball B uzofika ngo-17,64 meters per second. Ebesuke ngo-0. Sesifuna-ke manje ukuthi uzohamba i-distance engakanani. Bese VF squared is equal to VI squared plus 2A change in Y. Initial velocity was 0. Final velocity 17,64 all squared plus 2, 9,8 delta Y. Here we have 311, 191696. Now we have 19,6 delta Y divided by 19,6 divided by 19,6 delta Y wethu uzoba u-15,876 meters. So njengamanje sesitholile ukuthi kusuka laphaya uzofika la ku-15,876 meters. But thina sifuna ukusuka ku-point Q size siyofika la ibhola elikhona njengamanje. Thina sifuna ukusuka la below point R noma ku-point R sesizofika la ibhola elikhona. So sekuzoba u-15,876 minus le distance le oku-9,6 minus 9,6. So i-distance yokusuka u-ball B u-6,276 meters below point R. So i-answer le abayifunayo. So uzithola i-distance ka-ball B below point R uzothi 15,876 minus 9,6 bese ujola u-6,276 meters. So i-distance le bebeyifunayo. So mawubuka ubuhlobo kulamabhola isikhathi. Ke sibukeke la. Let's see, on the same set of axes, sketch a position time graph for ball A. Your sketch should be clearly indicate the following. Ball A moving from point Q to point S. And ball B moving from point Q to point R. The instant when ball A reaches point S and ball B reaches point R. Time at which ball B is released. Time at which ball A passes point R. Okay. So izinto lezo kufanele siyiveze kwigraph yethu. Uzame ukuyiveza. Laphaya sisuka ku-4, 4,1. Multi 4,1 subtract 9,6. 4,1 minus 9,6. U-point R low. U-point R u-34. 34,5. Then u-point S uzothi 34 minus 33, 1, 12 point S, point S 1,4, 1,4 meters. So bathi uball A akasuke laphaya ahambe afike ame lapha ku-point S. Nange u-point S. Nange u-point R. Bathi asimveze u-point R. Sisho ukuthi lowo ball A lo. So uhambe isikhathi esingakanani azaze ayofika la? Fanele sikuveze lokho u-ball A uhambe isikhathi esingakanani. Azawufika ku-point S, sikele sasi-calculator. Besithe 1,2 plus 1,4 oku-2,6. Umthathe nje 2,6 ukuthi azawufika lapha ku-point S. Base bethi-ke ku-ball B asivezeni isikhathi asuke ngaso u-ball B. Ukhumbule u-ball B suka from the same height but emva kwesikhathi esingakanani after 1,2 second wasuka u-ball B. Bathi asimgcinise kuphi? Ku-point R, graph yami incane-ke. U-ball B nangigcina ku-point R, u-ball B, graph yakhe. Bathi asisiveze isikhathi sokusuka kwakhe. Suke ngalesi sikhathi u-ball B. So ngapha sine-position in meters, ngapha sinothi in second. Bebefuna igrafu kanjena-ke bafowethu. Lapha nasiveze njalo, asengiveze izinto ey'ningi. Lama-dot lawa. Okay. Igrafu yethu yinto nje emi kanje. Angazi noma kukhona okushodayo. Ya, ngicabanga ukuthi konke kuphelele okufunekalayo.